My name is Pratik. I'm currently pursuing my BTech fourth year at Bennett University, and we are doing our capstone project. So we have done an Android app named Defender. It is mainly focusing on students and developers. So our team consists of 3 members, and my name is Pratik.
My name is Sai Prakash.
My name is Girdhar.
We will be introducing our project. So the main objective of the project is that we want to help the students and the developers who are getting stuck at some point in their projects. If a student or a developer or a freelancer has an idea to develop a product, but he got stuck at some point, or he doesn't have an idea of the implementation. So uh, we are providing a mentorship from the developer who is surrounded by him. So we would be connecting both the developer and the student who's having the idea. So they both can communicate with each other and solve their idea, or he could act as a mentor for the developer or the student to solve their problems. So this is the main idea of the project. So we would be starting about the all the research what we have done.
Hello all. My name is Sai Prakash, and I will be explaining our problem statement. Basically, our main problem in the current situation is we want to make an highly skilled local developers connect to each other uh, for our end users in solving the doubts and assigning mentors for specific projects and learning a new skills they can so that they can improve their skills and new develop their new mentality. And it's also helpful for many companies in hiring developers for certain responsibilities from the locals itself, from a required duration or the full-time employee. So it will be creating the jobs for an unemployment and skilled developers. Besides all of these, they can post the question and get answered from the expert developers within the short time. So in this we can solve all these problems by creating a platform in which they can get the solutions. And also this project Defender will help the developers communicating with each other through this platform. Our project majorly solves in three different modules. Uh, these three different modules will be explained by Giridhar in the later slides.
There are a total of 3 modules in our application. The first module is somewhat like Stack Overflow. Here the developers would post their doubts and get the solution from the others who know them, and the solutions would be given up upwards and downwards based on the given solution. And the second module is related to a mentoring and doubt clearing, where the person who is having doubt in the particular domain can take the help from the other person who is the same domain, who is nearer to him within the radius of 10 to 15 kilometers or maybe. And he can also check the developers near him by checking their answers to the previous questions and his upvotes through the past projects and resumes. And he can ask him doubts about the big modules like authentication module, some frameworks, etc. He can also hire him as a monitor by paying him the amount he requests. The third module is used by the small companies or startups who are searching for hiring people in some specific domain. So they can check the developers and can hire them as a freelancers around them within the fixed radius, and check his profiles where answers are given to the questions and his resume and his upvotes, and make him hiring process easier.
Coming to the social importance, due to this pandemic situation, everyone wants to learn a new technology or a skill to develop and enrich their skills. But because of the lockdown, schools and colleges are closed for the students, uh, and we have identified this problem as a major one, and so we want to decided to develop an application for the students and any end user. So this project mainly aims on the solving problems for developers and find jobs in the nearby locations. So many of us want to code our own app or website or uh, any uh, any technology they wants to learn. So but most of the learners get usual doubts and queries regarding their practical no, practical app or website. So to solve this, we came up with an application to resolve this problem.
So from the problem statement, mentioned above, we have came with an idea to develop a website by using Here Maps, by communicating with the developers of the Here Maps, but the Here Map developers weren't responding with for our queries, so we have shifted to Google Maps. And first we have made a website, and with the problem in the location, and for making it easy and for getting the real-time environment, we have shifted to app. And so in the app, we have made a registration for the student, freelancer, and employee. So the three would be entering their work details and the previous internships. For student, he would be entering his educational details, and freelancer would be entering his projects and all those things. And they would be and they also would be entering the technologies in which they are proficient in, and they would this would be helping us for filter the developers. So, and what we would be doing is that the developer, a student or some developer who is stuck at a phase or who doesn't have any idea of the framework could search for the developer around his radius by searching entering the profile what he want, and the developer the radius of that from where he want the developer. So he could enter in some, if I'm in Hyderabad, I could enter 5 kilometers who are around me, or he could enter the persons in Hyderabad. So what is that they could be acting as a mentor in the local language, so it would be helping them. For getting as a mentor, he would be sending a request to the developer which we had find, and he could see while seeing all the profiles on the map, he could click on the developer whom he want, and he could see all the technologies he knows and all the questions he have answered till now, and all the upwards he have got to the questions he have answered, and he could send a request to the developer to be the a mentor for him. So the developer could charge something, or he could do it for free, as would be providing the certificate for the doing a mentorship. So it would be helping a students or an employee who doesn't have any idea, or who is new to the specific domain. So it would be helping the such type of people. So we came with this idea, and for as many of the startups would be searching for a developers who need in UI UX or some framework. So they would be searching for the developer around their radius, as they can't post in their Naukri, and as they would be posting in Naukri for developers. So it would be very hard to find, and there would be many applicants. So what this is that he could be finding all the developers in the specific domain, and he could see the profile and all the questions and the upwards and the projects he have done, and so he would be analyzing the uh, quality of the developer rather than picking someone randomly. And so this would be helping the company to hire a high quality developers by in their location itself. So this is the other module what you have done. And coming to the technologies and uh, other things we have used, the first one is that for developing an Android app, we need a mobile phone and a laptop, the working hardware. And for software, we have used Android Studio for writing the code, and we have used Google Maps API for showing the locations of the developers around the person. And coming to Android SDK, as all the libraries would be in Android SDK, so we have used it. And the for Firebase for OTP authentication, and for getting for messaging, we have used Firebase Cloud Messaging. And finally, we have used PHP MyAdmin for storing all the records of the person, and all the technologies, and all those will be stored in the uh, database, which is latitude and longitude locations. So and we have used the PHP as the programming language for backend, and Node.js as well. And we have used Kotlin and Java for front end, and Android app for, and we have used SQL and the PHP queries for storing and retrieving the data. At first, we planned to make a website, but it doesn't went well, so we shifted to Android app. And lastly, we have made an Android app. It's working very fine. So this is the profile page of the person. When we have seen some person on the map, we would be clicking on the person. We would be seeing number of mentorships what he has done, and mentorships we have done, and we would be seeing all the questions he have answered till now, and we would be seeing the upwards what he have gone for the questions. And this is the location service which would be running in the background for continuous updation of the location of the person. So this is a background service which would be running in the offline itself. So this is the Google Maps. which we have used the API. So here what is that you would be searching for a developer by clicking on the a developer tab, and we could see we could be enter the React the specific domain we want, and we could enter the kilometers where we want, and so that we could find the developers around us.
Here we're going to see about result analysis and validations. We are creating this application using the Android Studio with Java programming language. In Android Studio, we are making an Android application which will be used to develop and publish in the Google Play developer account. This application runs Android user interface, and this will be communicating with our backend systems. Our solution delivered primarily consists of 3 modules, and these are perfectly solved by making an Android application using Java language and publishes in Google Play account. And finally, with this conclusion and the future work, we are planning to integrate online payment system to help developers get paid through the online platform. And this will be our major update we are developing for our application. We should continuously fix the bugs in the application. This should increase the overall performance. And we are trying to reduce overall time complexity so that users can use without lag and improve stability over our overall code.